Okay, hi guys. Today I will be talking about the Ardell Professional Natural Eyelashes. This is just the 6 pack, and I just want to show you guys the back. So it just says Ardell Professional Easy 3-step application. So it just says what to do, like check fit, apply adhesive, apply lashes. It says just keep out of reach of children, for external use only, and then it just gives the directions on how to apply them. And I actually took a lash strip out of the box because I just wanted to show you guys up close and personal. So the lashes that I do get, like I said, are the natural, and I get the eye lifting effect, and this is just the 110 and this is the one in black. But yeah, getting started on these lashes, before I get started, I just want to say that I am a big fan of Ardell. These are not the first lashes that I've got by them. This is like the brand that I tend to stick by the most. It's the brand that like I always tend to like clean to. So definitely Ardell, keep doing whatever you're doing because these lashes are great, very inexpensive. I love how they put them in these separate packs so I can just carry these packs with me. But yeah, so getting started on this, I got introduced to these because, and guys, something else that I do want to say too, the, okay, I'm going to say it a little bit later, but I just want to touch on it a little bit too. They're sticking to this little part because they already have like a little bit of adhesive on there, but I'm going to touch on that a little bit later. But like I said, getting started on these eyelashes, I got introduced to these because Ulta's my favorite place in the world. Well, one of my favorite places. And I was looking for eyelashes. I am in a sorority, and so we do have these events called formals. And so I am not like one to usually wear eyelashes. Eyelashes are something kind of for me that I do like if I dress up. But at my sorority formal was kind of my first time wearing them. And so yeah, like I said, I'm not like really a big person on them, but like I wanted to try it out. And so I decided to buy a pack. And this is not, like I said, guys, this is not my first time getting these lashes. So this scenario I'm explaining, this is like 3 years ago. But I wanted to get a pack of eyelashes. And so all my sorority sisters kept making these different requests and stuff like that. And I was like, okay, we're just going to go to Ulta and I'm just going to figure out something. And so we went to Ulta. We ended up going up and down the aisles looking for eyelashes, and then there was a lady that came and she helped me out, and she was like, well, she's like, since you never had them before, I suggest you get more of like a natural look. So I didn't disagree with her. I definitely felt like I needed something natural because I didn't want to be over extravagant, especially this is my first time wearing them, so I didn't even know how I was going to react to them. And so I ended up getting the eyelashes. Guys, I didn't even want to take the eyelashes off. I fell in love with them, and those were the Ardell wispy ones, so they were actually like longer than these ones were. And I didn't want it, but all of the Ardell lashes are like natural, like, so they're natural strips, but I didn't even want to take the eyelashes off. I fell in love with them. Like, it was love at first blink. And I know I'm not even I know, guys, that sounds like so like, oh my goodness, she's so over exaggerating, but guys, like, eyelashes really like do something to you. Like, they enhance, like, honestly, the way I feel about myself. I feel like just putting eyelashes on and like a little bit of eyeliner and some mascara, it really goes a long way. And so that's what I definitely can say about these eyelashes. It really goes a long way for me. I honestly really don't have to worry about like them falling off. But the one thing that I am going to say, and the reason why I went into that story, is these eyelashes do not come with glue. So Ardell, like, they make a glue, and that's the one that I originally bought with these eyelashes. But guys, you have to be very careful. So the Ardell glue, even though I love their eyelashes, I'm not a big fan of their glue, only because their glue is white, and I am African American, and when you put the glue on the eyelashes, it definitely turns like an orangish color, and you definitely can see it. And so that's why I was not a big fan of it, just because like trying to put clumps and clumps of eyeliner over it to cover it up. I do suggest getting like a black glue, or like not even like a black glue, but like a glue where it says like no, like where it's like a clear glue, something along those lines. So that's the kind of glue I use for it, like clear glue. And like I said, I was going to talk about this a little later. Sometimes when I'm not even wearing eyeliner with it, guys, I won't even put glue on it because the adhesive on this is strong enough to stay on my eyelashes for as long as I need it to. So I won't even use it with that. These eyelashes are very natural looking on my eyelashes. I don't even have to put that much mascara on. They last for a long time until I take them off. And also too, they blend in so well with your eyelashes, like it's ridiculous. And so like anybody who's never had eyelashes before or tried eyelashes before, I definitely suggest the Ardell Professional brand. And if you just start off with like the natural ones, it honestly goes a long way. If you're anything like me, I fell in love with them, and now it seems that I can't even take them off my eyes. I love wearing them. And for people who don't wear like foundation or a lot of makeup, I definitely think eyelashes does go a long way, and I can I can testify to that because I don't rarely put on foundation, and I just put on like light BB cream, and this honestly goes a long way for me. But like I said before, guys, this is just the Ardell Professional Eye Lifting Effect natural eyelashes. This is the 6-pack, and also too, guys, you can reuse these. So just one use, it'll do. Like you can reuse them multiple times. But yeah, my favorite brand of eyelashes.